Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Moni Agnes here. So if you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. On this channel I share simple recipes that you can cook for your family, homemade. And today I have a pancake video which I'm going to show you how I make my pancake. Easy and very simple. So first things first, I have a sieve here and a bowl. I'll be using 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, some vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and a cup of milk. I'm starting off by sieving my flour, so I'm using 2 cups of flour, which is the self-raising flour, which already contains the baking agents. If you're using the all-purpose flour, you can add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, which you sift through with the flour. Yeah. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for coming back, watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you all and thank you so much for your support. Next, I'll be mixing my 2 eggs with the sugar, which I've already put in the bowl. So I'll be whisking it or beating the eggs and the sugar until they're completely cooperated before adding the vanilla essence and the milk. Yeah. I'm mixing in the wet ingredients separately with the flour. So once I'm done mixing everything separately, that's when I'll incorporate them together to make a soft paste. I'm adding a tablespoon of vanilla essence to my egg and sugar mixture. I've added my milk, which is half a cup. I'll use the rest of the milk later once I mix in my flour. So the idea is to get a consistent paste, like a consistent paste. Yeah. I'm mixing in everything to get a consistent paste. So the whole idea is to get a consistent paste. You can choose to do a thicker one or a lighter one, so you choose. My pancake paste is ready, so let's get cooking. So I will start by cooking off my pancakes. So in a hot pan, I've added in the pancake paste, which I'll be cooking on both sides as I add some oil. So this adding oil is completely optional. You can choose to add the oil in your paste or in your pan. For this part, I'm choosing to add it in my pan. I'll repeat the same process to the other pancakes until I'm done. So that's all. Here are the pancakes, guys. So they tasted so yummy. I hope you try these out and see you on my next video. Bye bye.